In our last video, we uncovered the biggest secret for creators in 2026, moving away from selling low-value templates and moving into selling high-value automated AI tools, your own custom AI bots. An AI bot can turn a 30-day challenge that you have planned into an instant personalized coach. Let me explain. You open the AI builder and it asks you, what knowledge should I use? You may try to paste your entire ebook and the bot gives generic, useless answers. Why does that happen? Because the AI doesn't need an essay. It needs a manual and instructions to go with it. So today I'm going to walk you through the most critical steps of this entire process, and I call it the brain dump method. This is the exact method I use to convert messy expertise into clean, actionable proprietary rules that the AI can follow perfectly, making your custom bot unique, indispensable, and worthy of a subscription fee each month. Think of the AI builder as hiring a brilliant but literal intern. If you hand the intern your entire data, like for example, my diabetes ebook, and say, go coach people, they will get overwhelmed and just quote random paragraphs. They don't know the priority, the tone, or the exceptions. Your goal in the brain dump method is not to give the AI content, but to give the AI priority, boundaries, and rules. The success of your customized bot and whether people pay for it depends entirely on how well you structure the knowledge that you feed it. Let's break your knowledge into 3 distinct documents. So the AI knows exactly how to respond when a user is in crisis versus when they are simply logging in. To organize your expertise effectively, you're going to create 3 simple documents. I recommend just using 3 separate Google Docs for this experiment, or 3 separate notes on your computer. The first document we will call the core rules document. This is the most important one. This document answers the question, what should the bot always do or never do? For example, for my 30-day diabetes challenge bot, a core rule might be rule number 1, if the user states that they are on day X, immediately reference the primary nutritional goal for that day before offering general advice. Another rule might be never give specific medication dosage advice. Always defer that question to the user's personal doctor. You see where I'm going with this? This document establishes the safety net and the structure. The second document is the persona and tone document. That's what I call it. This one defines how the AI bot should talk. You don't want it to sound like a generic computer. You want it to sound like you. Define your tone. The bot must use encouraging language, avoid overly clinical jargon that the user doesn't understand, and use the user's name if it's provided. You can even feed it examples of your own encouraging phrasing. The third document is the exceptions document. This document lists all the common roadblocks where generic advice fails. For my diabetes bot, this could be exception number 1. If the user mentions that they're traveling, relax the calorie rules slightly and prioritize meal timing instead. This is where your highest value, non-obvious knowledge lives, and it's what makes your bot better than a generic ChatGPT answer. I know all of this information might be new to you. I understand that. I'm doing a mini video series, and so by the time that you're done watching the series, I've already done one before, you will know exactly what to do. Comment below to let me know if you want me to do a workshop or an ebook bundle so that you can have a written blueprint. In the meantime, grab my Income Creator Workshop bundle where you will get a deep dive into other ways that you can make money outside of the YouTube AdSense program. The link is in the description. Now, let's continue. All right, so now that we have the containers for your knowledge, we need to test the information, right? You need to convert every single page of your ebook into a simple input-output loop. Take a chapter from your digital product, For instance, with my ebook, I will take the section on day 4, which is understanding the glycemic index. In the ebook, it's a page of text explaining the concept. In the bot's brain dump, it needs to be written as a rule. So if the user asks about substituting a carb, the output was provide an alternative food with a lower glycemic index rating first. If no alternative exists, advise the user to reduce the portion size. That's what I would feed the bot, that rule. You are converting the why into how. The goal is that for any question the user asks the bot, your 3 documents already contain the rule that governs the bot's response. This is how you guarantee your customers get the right answer every time, specific to your brand and what you fed the bot. Let's apply this directly to my 30-day diabetes coach. I know this is a lot to digest, but please stick with me. We're almost done. If you need to listen to this video again, please do. And make sure that you watch the first video in the mini-series to get an even better understanding of the entire concept. The trick here, though, is creating a tiered structure within the core rules document. That's the first document I mentioned. I would need a master rule that sets the context and the day rules that follow in my diabetes example. The master rule could be before responding to any question, the bot must first confirm the user's current day, 1 through 30. If the day is not provided, the bot must first ask for the day. This keeps the bot focused. Then for each day, I would create a simple entry. Day 1 to 7, primary focus is hydration, logging food, and 15-minute walks. Day 8 to 14, introduce complex carb reduction. Primary focus is morning stretching routine. Day 15 to 21, introduce strength training. Primary focus is identifying a trigger food or trigger foods. By constructing the knowledge this way, the bot is instantly ready to coach the user where they're in the program, which days they're in the program. The brain dump method, creating those simple documents, core rules, persona, and exceptions, is the most important work you will do to get things started. This is a proprietary asset to protect and monetize. You now know how to extract your specialized knowledge and structure it perfectly. The next step is to finalize those 3 documents based on the ebook. In our next video, which is going to be episode 3 in the mini-series, we're going to move into the exciting part, which is the technology. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to upload those 3 documents into the custom GPT builder and the secret prompt language that you need to paste into the instructions field to bring your AI coach to life. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next build phase, because it's a process. Now go do your brain dump, and I will see you in episode 3. And I hope you got some value from this video so far. And please, this channel, in case you don't know, in case you're new here, this channel is about how to monetize your channel outside of the AdSense program. Because if you think that AdSense is going to make you a living to replace your 9 to 5, it's not going to happen. Because it's not consistent. The views are not consistent and the money is not consistent. So my channel is about how you can use this platform, this YouTube platform, to make money outside of YouTube. You still are going to be monetized on YouTube and you still get your AdSense check each month. But that is just like dessert after a meal. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos that I put on this channel, because it's all about making money online using the YouTube platform as your foundation. Thank you so much. And again, I'm Cheryl, your host. Happy to bring you this information, and I'm learning stuff too as I go along. And I urge you to go ahead and try this. Don't be scared of AI, because AI ain't going nowhere. It's here to stay, and it's going to be so much more dominant in 2026. So you want to get in now. Don't wait. Don't sleep on this one. Thanks for watching.